Today we're going to be taking a unboxing review at Hasbro and Takara Tomi's Transformers War for Cybertron Siege Trilogy, Micromasters, Autobot, War for Cybertron Siege 4, this is the fourth one in this series, Roadhandler and Swindler, which is kind of weird because Swindler, if I remember correctly, was a Decepticon and not an Autobot. But yeah, so looks like Roadhandler is the red one. 3 steps to transform it. Swindler takes 5 steps, and it combine into this. Yeah. So let's go ahead and open it up and take a look at it. Wow, they're holding there with a lot of that little stuff. Yeah, these little tags. Lots of them on this little photo right there on Roadhandler. I mean, he had it around his waist, both arms, both legs. I mean, they did not want to let that one go. So here's our little instruction sheet. So if we look at it, this I guess is the new symbol for Autobots. So you know how the Autobot symbol looks like this? Well, I guess on Cybertron, this is what the Autobot symbol will look like. Autobot symbol on Earth, Autobot symbol on Cybertron. You know, right there. Anyway. Let's spread it out a little bit. Let's take a layer of little fitters. Let's go with Roadhandler here. Arms will take up to about there and down. They can't really go all the way out. See how it kind of wants to go back in a little bit. Legs can go here, there, and a bit of knee bend due to transformation, right there. Nice little head sculpt. I mean, the head sculpt almost looks like a Bumblebee-ish kind of head sculpt. I guess you could argue like the top of it is kind of like Optimus Prime, or to me it kind of reminds me more of Cheetor from Transformers Beast Wars. Not that Transformers Beast Machines, but Beast Wars. Cheetor. Either the first Cheetor or the Transmetal Cheetor. Once in robot mode. That's what it kind of reminds me of. And here is... Oh, and then there's a little Autobot symbol on the door. Here is Swindler. Also, Autobot symbol on the door. Its arms are a little bit more limited. So, they cannot move in and out as Roadhandlers can. They could kind of swing upward a little bit. Like about that and stuff. Legs, forward, back, out to the side. Of course, the same knee bend, joint stuff. So they're actually telling us to start with Swindler. So take the legs and tab them together. So we're going to take the legs, tab them together. They say turn it around, take this little hood piece and put it up. And then kind of split the arms out a bit. Let's see here. So if you see how it kind of goes in like that, they want you to put it down. And yeah, this arm's kind of messed up a little bit. It's kind of hard to tab the arms into the front of the hood of this cart, and then just take this, bend it, push it down, and then you notice there's these two little round pieces there. Those go into those little pad holes in the feet. And there it is. How does it roll? Pretty good. Let's get into this little fur. Same thing. Tab the feet together. After the feet are tabbed together, turn around. Flip the hood down. Which, there we go. They don't say anything about the arms, but there is little spots to tab the arms into, like right there, and right there. So let me try getting this arm reattached here. And then you just kind of do the same thing. Same little pet holes, same little half rounded holes. Right there. Now this one actually doesn't roll as good as this one. This one's more of a Brit-ish. Don't know why, but doesn't really roll that good. Anyway, let's get into its combined weapon form. So, not really sure who they're talked about here. Probably should pay attention to their heads. I think they want this one. So they're saying just rotate its legs out. While trying to keep them still combined. Like that. Then we rotate its body like this. And we flip up its little pad right there. And then we just set it down like that. With this one, take the legs, flip them like that, flip up its little pad like that. Keep it like this. Take this one, combine that little pad onto that little hole right there, and this is what you got. This really dumb, stupid thing, which is supposed to look something like, let's see if I can get the can to focus better, like that, which is called the Multi-Mech particle exhaust cannon. So it's pretty good on strength. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So about 11 or 12 on strength. 2, 2, so that's 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. About 9 on target, and about 7 for distance. So let's give it a transformer here, something to hold on to, like that. So eventually those things are supposed to be the barrels. Yeah, I guess they kind of work. But having them on top of this, kind of like staggered a little bit, kind of looks really, really dumb and stupid. A lot of people were saying, man, that looks like a double barrel, side by side, quad shotgun. which it kind of does. I mean, if you wanted to, you could actually pop this one off, take the other hand here, because it still has the pad on there, and put it in like that, and you could kind of dual wield them if you wanted to. But the official way is this way. Silver on top, white on the bottom. Can you reverse it? You could kind of reverse it, I guess. If you rotate this one's legs around, and let's see, rotate this one's legs around. Yeah, you could definitely, I'm not going to tap in there all the way. Well, yeah, there we go. Yeah, you could definitely rotate around that you could have white on top instead of the silver on top. And if you wanted to, you could put the tabs into both of them. Something like this. And you could kind of get like this weird, crazy mashup thing. I have no idea what the heck that is, but yeah, you get that. So yeah, if you want to pick these little fellas up, toywiz.com, link down below in the description. And if you want to pick some stickers for these, some retro label stickers, which, let's face it, a lot of these Transformers, they need stickers to really make them stand out and to be what they should have been. Head on over to toyhats.com to pick up the stickers. Stickers range between the $5 to $10 price range. Some of them are a little bit cheaper than $5. It depends how big the figure is. Deluxe Class, Toy Masters. Well, these ones are called Micro Masters, or if you have a Battle Master, those ones are going to be a little cheaper. They might fall in more than one set, so you might get like enough for 2 Battle